What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We got a special taste test challenge kind of thing. Yeah, so went to Buffalo Wild Wings and my curiosity got the best of me. And I'm blaming W.I. Clawer and I'm blaming No Star Reviews for posting these videos. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. And W.I. Clawer talked me into it, so. Yep, Buffalo Wild Wings. We got the Scorpion Rum wings. I just got a little snack sauce because we just ate there, so I'm really not even hungry at all. I'm kind of full, but I had to try these, and I didn't just want to get them and eat them there and look like an idiot. Anyway, so these are seasoned with some kind of like Marley rum or something like that. Scorpion pepper, which is like right under the Carolina Reaper, which I know there's a new one out now that's hotter than a Carolina Reaper, but I'm not touching that. Anyway, scorpion pepper, chipotle, and habanero, and sweetened with rum. So, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really scared of these things, but they smell really good. Smell just kind of like almost like a spicy barbecue. Alright, so yeah, I did just get the snack size, which is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wings. So I mean, that's plenty for me. So they're very saucy too, which I like that. Alright, so let's dive in. Hopefully not like burn my face off. Alright, here we go. Woo! It's got a good flavor, but it's very hot. Woo! God! I'm getting the hiccups already. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, I gotta get some milk. Oh my God. You can tell, like, I instantly started sweating. Oh, whew. Freaking nose is running. Oh man, yeah, I'm glad I didn't eat those at the restaurant. Yeah, they'd got a good old laugh out of that. So yeah, I mean, it's got a very good flavor, but man, is it hot. Whew. That scorpion pepper is the real deal, buddy. Yeah, man, it's like my lips are a little burning. My tongue is on fire. Man. Woo. Yeah, it didn't take long either. It was like instantly. Yeah, I'm definitely just going to stick to my honey barbecue. Oh my God. So these are for a limited time. They are hotter than their blazing wings, which is the hottest ones that they've got. Oh God. Whew. So yeah, if you guys are brave enough to go try this out. Oh man. Hope you got a laugh out of this. There's no way I'm finishing these. Woo! Fail. Fail. Fail the challenge. Oh man, yeah, that's my first failed. Oh God, man, my sinuses are like ridiculous right now. My first failed heat challenge. Some of the other guys are eating like 10 and 15. I'm like, no way. That's real close to Carolina Reaper territory. Man, that was, oh my God. Whew. So yeah, they're hotter than their blazing wings. Their blazing wings are made with ghost pepper, so it's hotter than that. I think it's called the Trinidad Scorpion, which is hotter. I believe it's the Trinidad Scorpion, then the Carolina Reaper, and then the new one, which is called Dragon's Breath. Which, yeah, I ain't not touching that. If you guys are brave, you want to try these, or if you have tried these, let me know. I'd love to see all you guys' videos eating these things up. But I am done. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.